Welcome to the grand final. Over 5 episodes, you've seen how Jigyasa MCP indexes, searches, analyzes Git history, and survives chaos. But there's one thing we haven't talked about. How does it know what language your code is in? And what happens when it encounters a language it's never seen? It figures it out automatically. This is episode 6, the system that learns your languages. Here's how the self-adaptive flow works. When indexing starts, the system pre-scans every file by extension, 342 Python files, 89 TypeScript, 12 Go, 56 Java. Then it checks which treesitter grammars are installed. Here's the magic. If a grammar is missing, it doesn't error out. It runs pip install treesitter Python automatically, silently. Then it loads the grammar, passes every file into a full AST, and indexes all symbols, chunks, and metadata. Zero manual configuration. You point it at a repo, it figures out the rest. Parsing happens in 2 tiers. Tier 1 is AST-aware, 13 languages with full structural understanding. Java, Python, TypeScript, TSX, JavaScript, Go, C#, Rust, C, C++, Ruby, Kotlin, Scala. For these, we extract classes, methods, fields, constructors, interfaces, enums, inheritance chains, and import graphs. Tier 2 is text-based for everything else. XML, YAML, Markdown, JSON, shell scripts. Line-based chunking, still fully searchable. The principle, every file gets indexed. Asked when possible, text otherwise. Nothing left behind. This is the heart of the language system, the language profile data class. Every supported language is defined by one of these. Name, extensions, pip package, module name, the function to call for the grammar. Then the AST mappings, which node types are classes, functions, methods, fields, constructors, interfaces, enums. That's it. Adding a new language is 20 lines of Python, one language profile instance, and the entire pipeline automatically passes, extracts, and indexes it. No framework changes. Just data. Fun story. Most treesitter packages expose a single function called language. Import, call, done. But treesitter TypeScript is different, one pip package, 2 grammars, language_TypeScript for .ts and language_tsx for .tsx. Call language. Attribute error. We found this by actually testing with real packages. The fix. The language_func field in language profile. The loader calls getAtta with whatever function name the profile specifies. One field, problem solved. This is why you test with real packages, not mocks. This function is beautiful. _extract_base_ classes takes a class node from any language's AST and extracts parent classes. But every language represents inheritance differently. Python uses argument_list, class FOO parenthesis bar, barge. Java uses superclass and super_interfaces. JavaScript and TypeScript use class_heritage. C# and Kotlin use base_list and delegation_specifiers. One function handles all of them, passive matching on child node types. This is how find__ implementations works across 13 languages. One function, 4 AST patterns, polymorphic by design. How do we know this all works? 156 tests across 7 suites. The real story, 54 chaos monkey tests across 9 failure categories. Corrupted state files, index JSON is garbage. Malformed source, invalid syntax. Binary detection, a JPEG disguised as .py. Lock races, to indexers at once. Circuit breaker storms, vector DB goes down mid-operation. Validation attacks, truncation edges, Git failures, concurrent indexing. We threw everything at it. It survives. Every time. Zooming out, what we built across 6 episodes. 12 MCP tools, search_symbols, search_code, search_files, get_context, find_implementations, find_references, dependency_graph, search_commits, commit_diff, file_history, index_status, reindex. 13 languages, self-adaptive grammar installation. 156 tests, 54 chaos monkey. Qdrant vector search. Full Git intelligence. Circuit breakers. Here's the comparison. Bluebird has breadth, 70 plus Azure DevOps tools. Jigyasa MCP has depth, structural search, inheritance graphs, cross-language symbol resolution. This isn't grep. This is code intelligence. What you've seen across 6 episodes is a system that doesn't just search code, it understands code. It parses ASCII across 13 languages. It builds semantic indexes with vector embeddings. It traces inheritance, resolves references, maps dependency graphs. It survives chaos, corrupted state, concurrent access, network failures. And it does all this as an MCP server, so any AI agent, Copilot, Claude, any MCP client, gets this intelligence for free. Jigyasa MCP. Built by Lokesh Mavle. Apache 2.0. Start the repo. Install it. Add language 14. It's 20 lines of Python. Thank you for watching.